Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be showing y'all around banana tag with the owner. So he doesn't have a mic because I guess it's broken. But so yeah. Okay, so there's I guess like a custom fake stick. It's huge and goes for some reason down there. Yeah, it's with it, for some reason it's all the way down there. I don't know why. There's custom sticks like this. I gotta remember. I'm gonna remember what all of them were. So the blue one is admin, green is head admin, pink is not in the game but it'll be kill owner. T-mod stick is the fire stick, and the light blue one will be for second in command, but the light blue and pink are not in the game yet. He's gonna be adding Ensaban. Didn't you say there was gonna be custom titles? Custom titles? Like custom titles, like the things that go above your head. Yeah, okay, so there is gonna be custom titles if you're certain staff members, I guess. With, what do you mean with, what do you mean with IDs? What do you mean, you said with IDs? Oh, okay. And then this game does have beach as staff board. He's gonna, I guess, skip the stuff down in that second in command right there. But forest, there's beach. I know what you missed that. So this is beach. Normal. Uh-oh. So this is beach. Then also, getting out of the map is bannable. It is possible in this game. Just don't do it unless you want to get banned. Also, if you're in the Discord, do not spam ping any staff members. And there's gonna be mod apps at 70 members in the Discord server. So then, wait, aren't you picking like 2? Yeah, he's gonna be picking 2. There's Ghost Monk, but it's not working. Well, I can't even do it since I only have 100. And should that be it? So it's gonna be revamped, and because we have a dev, and it's gonna be out soon, I guess. And should that be it? Alright, and that'll be the end of today's video. See you.